electric world.
Today, Samsung Electronics America announced the start of commercial production at its first U.S.-based home appliance manufacturing facility in Newberry County, South Carolina. Only 6 months after taking possession of the plant, Samsung employees have begun manufacturing ship-ready washing machines, producing the product's washer cabinets, inner tubs and bases from blank steel. Hyun Suk Kim, President and head of CE, Consumer Electronics, division of Samsung Electronics, visited the Newberry plant to celebrate the official launch of production, along with the CEO of Samsung Electronics, North America. When we selected South Carolina for our new manufacturing facility, we chose a state and a community that believe in the power of innovation, and has the workforce to back it up, said President Kim. It is thanks to the strong partnership we enjoy that we are here to celebrate the opening of our first U.S.-based home appliance manufacturing facility. The start of commercial production comes just 6 months after Samsung announced the company would open a new state-of-the-art home appliance manufacturing plant in Newberry County, South Carolina. Since then, Samsung has transformed the site with the help of more than 800 full-time and contract workers, adding 151,000 square feet and installing 2 manufacturing and assembly lines with 20 presses and 30 injection molding machines. The 2 assembly lines combined Samsung's made in-house components with supplied modules, then package those products for shipment to U.S. consumers. Samsung plans to produce 1 million washing machines at the Newberry County facility in 2018. To celebrate this historic day, Samsung is donating 10 of the inaugural South Carolina-made washing machines to 2 Newberry-based non-profit organizations, Boys Farm and the Freedom and Hope Foundation. Boys Farm provides unique foster care services for boys, serving as a haven for boys experiencing difficult family situations. The Freedom and Hope Foundation provides fishing and hunting activities as recreational therapy for active and retired wounded military service members and children with life-threatening diseases. Samsung will also provide an inaugural washing machine to the Newberry County Museum to provide a lasting memorial to the historic day in South Carolina. When Samsung chose South Carolina as the home for its new U.S.-based manufacturing facility, the company chose a state and community with a passion for innovation and a dedication to building world-class products, said South Carolina Governor Henry McMaster. Today we celebrate a major milestone in Samsung's journey here in South Carolina, and together, we look forward to a bright future.